If we observe A-level mathematics with the paper 1 variant 2, 9709, which was currently done in 2025, just now in May, June over there, paper 1 variant 2 was having 1 hour, 50 minutes time over there. Total marks were 75. In total, 11 questions was given over there. And first question was given from the topic functions over there as a graph over there. After that, coordinate geometry was taken. And that was for question number 2 there. And question number 3 was related to binomial theorem as an expansion over there. Question number 4 of differentiation topic over there. In trigonometry, question number 5 was also given, and question number 7 was also related. This was related to graph of trigonometric functions over there, and this was related to identities of trigonometry was being taken, and equation of trigonometry was to solve over there. Question number 8 was related to circle, and that is also the part of coordinate geometry, little bit a new topic which was added in the previous 2 or 3 years over there. Question number 6 was related to integration, and 9 was also being added over there as integration should be taken into account over there. And when we move towards question number 10, that was giving from the sequence chapter of series over there with AP and GP, whose formulas are mostly given in, we can say, formula sheet of the paper over there. And question 11 was there for quadratics over there. And if I observe, overall paper was not too much, we can say, hard. Paper was, we can say, good scoring paper over there. But we can say as a new view of some questions was that was a little bit harming over there, that is going, we can say, was difficult little bit for the different students over there. So we should try to do our practice as much strong as we should go. Okay, today we will go towards the solution of this paper over there properly. And I will say here that let's move towards paper now. This was little bit introduction prepared by me by observing the paper over there. Try to be focused if you are going to retake of this exam over there. Then try to be focusing on the trigonometry section where you are getting at least 2 questions over there. And the coordinate geometry is attending the 2 questions over there. Overall, syllabus is not too much difficult, and we should start with it, and we should try to be focused over there. Let's move towards our paper here, where we should try to solve all of these questions. Little bit introduction, which you have already, like 9709 is a code, paper 1 variant 2, May, June, 1 hour, 50 minutes, and 75 marks over there. All right. If we observe here the question number 1 over here, he is saying that f of x is a graph over there. Okay, it is translated because it is going from f of x to g of x. The diagram shows the graph with the equation y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x. Okay. And here he is saying describe fully a sequence of 2 transformations which transform the graph y equal to f of x to the graph y equal to g of x. Make clear the order in which transformation should be applied over there. So if I observe here, first f of x is being translated, like I can say it is translated in the form of, we can say here, like it is translated like f of x is being added with or subtracted with some constant number over there, where I am saying over here that if I take along the parallel axis of y over there, then my this whole graph is shifted towards down over there. Then if I say this is my point over there, and this graph is having this sequence over there, then it is shifted how many points there? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 points. It has been shifted over there. Then I am saying it is translated by factor of -7 because it is -7 over here, that f of x. So a plus I am removing from here. It is -7 is being done with it vertically in the direction of y over there. So I should also write over here that I will say that the graph f of x is translated is translated with, I can say, -7, or if I want to write in the form of column matrix like that, then I will say it is 0 with -7 because it is exactly coming on the y-axis, and it is parallel to the y-axis. Is translated parallel to y-axis over there. And we can also write about this that in y direction or vertically over there. And if I observe it's stretching over there, which is being shown over here, that it is taken from showing the stretch factor along the y direction, because it is having the vertical height only for one here and having vertical height for two over here over for its g of x vector over there. It means I can say it is 2f of x is being done with -7 is totally being done. So for the stretching over here, I will write and say then it is being, then the graph is stretched, then the graph is stretched by factor 2 over there, and we can also say which is parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis. So this was the sequence which he was asking in this question over there. I think so the concept behind it is completely being explained. When that I have to take the translation, I will have to add or subtract some number. It is moving down, then minus. It is moving up, then it is plus. If it is moving down, then it should be minus. And if it is enlarged along y-axis, then it should be multiplied by a constant number over there for showing the functions over there. Okay, let's move to question number 2 now. If I look towards question number 2 there, then I will say here that he is saying find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve. So curve is having here, I can say curve is having its square form here, which is being shown that it is a square curve over there. This is just like a linear equation with two variables over there. Okay, simultaneously, I will have to solve both of these equations. And then by getting this simplified answer over there, what I will say here, I will try to make x as subject from this equation over there. Then I am saying that if I make this as a subject, then I will say x 2x is equal to minus y minus 4 over there, and x is equal to minus y minus 4 over 2. Now I'm placing this value in this equation over there. Then I'm saying 2 into x should be replaced with minus y minus 4 divided by 2 into y plus 5y square is equal to 24. So this is the way how I will go for simplification towards it. Now I will say that first of all, try to make a quadratic equation, and later on we should go for x and y to be calculating over there. Okay, first of all, I'm saying I'm getting this 2 with this 2. And now I am arranging all of this. It is making 5y square and minus y square and minus 4y minus 24 equals to 0. So I have arranged all of this equation. I have multiplied this y with minus y square, this y with minus 4y, 24 with minus 24 over there. If I go more in detail, then I will say here it is giving me 4y square minus 4y minus 24 equals to 0. Now everyone is divisible by 4 over there. Then it is y square minus y minus 4 is gone, so it is 6 over there. So we should go for midterm break over here. So y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. So y is taken common. It is y minus 3 plus 2 is common into y minus 3 equals to 0 over there. So I will have to move more. Now I will say here that y minus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2. And then we should go for x calculation also. So I am placing x value over there in place of y for calculating x. So x is equal to minus y is 3 minus 4 over 2. So it is giving me here value minus 7 by 2. So my 1 point, which is going to be getting as a point of coordinates of intersection, is minus 7 by 2 comma 3 over there. And for the second one, I am saying here, put minus 2 over there. And when I put minus 2 over here, then it will give me minus into minus 2 and minus 4 over 2. So it is giving me basically here is minus minus plus 2, 2 minus 4 over 2. It is making minus 2 over 2. So it is minus 1. So the coordinates will be minus 1 comma minus 2 over here. I think so. This was the easiest question in the paper, by the way. And to get these coordinates, it was the easy attempt over there. Okay, let's move to the question number 3 over there. Here he is saying that the coefficient of x power 7, I will have to calculate of the expansion. This is the binomial expansion over there. I can use the both methods, like to get the direct term or go with the expansion terms over there. Binomial expansion over there. If I observe here, I need x power 7. I have x square here. I have x here only. And he is saying to me, go for only getting x power 7. Okay, first of all, I say I should write it for going x power 7. I'm going to expand this first. So it is px square. First of all, 5c0 with px square with power. I am getting here the power is 0 for 1, and then I am getting here 4 over p and x with power 5. Now I am getting nothing power from this 0. Then I am saying I'm going with 5c 0 over there, 5c 0 over there. 5c 0 is gone. 5c 1. For example, I go with that now. Then it will be 1 power for px square. 1. And for the next one is, which should I take? 4 over p power with the x power 4 over there. Now it is still not giving me the power 7 over there. Now I should go with 5c2 over there. Then it is going with, I am getting the p value over there for 2 for the next term over there. Now I am going to with px square with power 2 and 4 over p with power x. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. Now if I look now, then the power is x square whole power x power 4 and x power 3. So it should be the right value to give me x power 7 over there. If I need x power 7 over there, then I am considering this term equal to 1280 over there. Then I am going for this 5c2. 5c2, if I go for calculator with exclamatory over there, then I can say here 5c2 is 10 with p square x power 4 with 4 power 3. 4 power 3 is 64. X power 3 over P cube is equal to 1280 over there. And here I can say P square power is going to cut and leave only one P here. And it is giving me 640. Like 10 into 64 is 640 over there is equal to 640 x power 7, and x power 7 is also given, which he has told as an expansion as 1280 already being told to me, and that is 1280, and it was having the p down over there, 1280 over there. So and x7 also there, x7 is gone, and I can calculate here my p value. Then it should be replaced as 640 over 1280 is going to equal to p, and p will equal to 1 by 2 over there. So this was the way how to calculate the binomial expansion. Directly you can also take by taking the term value exactly getting easily over there. But here I have used the expansion method so that your direct method is not going to confuse you, because x square is being taken in both cases in the numerator, not in the denominator over there. Okay, let's move to the question number 4 over there. The question number 4, he is saying that a point P is moving along a curve with the equation y equal to ax power 3 by 2 minus 12x in such a way that the x coordinate of P is increasing at a constant rate of 5 unit per second. So from the data, if I observe here, I will have to go to say that dx by dt is given. Dx by dt is given, that is 5 over there. And if I observe my y over there, then y is given in the form of y is equal to ax power 3 by 2 minus 12x. Then I will have to go dy by dx first, so that I can calculate easily, because he is saying calculate the rate of y. So it means dy by dt, I will have to calculate there. So dy by dx, I know about that the power will come in the start, 3 by 2, a x power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 12, and x is having differential as 1 over there. So it will give me 3 by 2 a x power 3 by 2 is 1.5 minus 1 is 1 by 2 minus 12 is dy by dx. And according to question, he is saying when x equal to 9 over there. So now I will place this dy by dx with the 9 to get here x value in the form of dy by dx as a expression over there. Then I will say here that get this dy by dx value as 3 by 2a into, place this x with 9 power 1 by 2 minus 12 over there. So it will be going as 9, 1 by 2 is 3, 3, 3, the 9, 9 by 2 a minus 12. So first of all, if we go towards dy by dt to calculate, dy by dt to calculate using the chain rule over there. Chain rule I am using because I need dy by dt over there. Then I'm saying I'm taking dy by dt multiply I'm getting dy by dx multiplied dx by dt. As I know that dx by dx is going to cancel out and give me dy by dt value over there. So that can be easily being taken over there. In that case, I will say here dy by dt should be expressed as dy by dx is 9 by 2a minus 12, and dx by dt was having the value 5 over there. So it should be said that it is having its value will be given as 5 multiply this. Okay, it should be 24 if I take the LCM of inside value over there. So it is being taken as 9 by 2, 224. 9a minus 24 over 2 into 5 should be taken. So it is 45a minus 5 into 24 is 120 over 2. So this was the expression which he was asking us to get as their value. If I take little bit common from here, then I can say here it is 15 3 times and 15 8 times over there is available. Then I can take it 15 as common, and I will say here 15 3a minus 8, and I am getting over 2 here. So this was the expression which he was expecting from us over there for calculating in the form of give your answer in terms of constant a. I have calculated it for you. So this is the way how to go for this question number 4 over there with part A. Now he is going towards part B. Given that the curve has minimum point when x equal to 1 by 4, find the value of A. So here for calculating the minimum point, we know that we will have to, for minimum and maximum point, we will have to go for dy by dx equal to 0 over there. So I have the expression for dy by dx over there, which we have calculated. That was our expression as 3 by 2a x power 1 by 2 minus 12 over there. 3 by 2a, 3 by 2a into x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 minus 12. We will have to take it equal to 0 to get the minimum point over there. For that purpose, now he is saying put x equal to 1 by 4. Put it here. 3 by 2 into a into 1 by 4 and power 1 by 2 minus 12 equals to 0. He is saying find the value of a over there. Okay. First of all, 1 by 2 for 1 by 4, you will get 1 by 2. So a over this 2 and this 2 is 4 minus 12 equals to 0. And this is also having 3 with it. All right. So we should go for it. For minus 12 is going to the other side as making 12 multiply 4 divided by 3 is equal to a. So 3, 4 times 12 equal to make it as 16 over there. I think so your concept behind this calculation for question number 4 is done now. Let's move to question number 5 over there now. Here he is saying the question of a curve, the equation of a curve is y is equal to 4 cos 2x plus 3. And 0 and 2 pi is given over there. Okay, find the greatest and the least possible value of y. So easiest way is just place because you know x can change over there, and we know the range is given from 0 to 2 pi. At 0, we know cos will get its maximum value over there. So 4 into cos 2 into 0, 0 cos 0 into 1 plus 3 will give you 7 as maximum value over there. And we know that if we place it at pi by 4 over there, pi by 4 will make it pi by 2, and that will be 0, and that will be can be 0, but that will not be minimum value. What? Because that will be 3 over there. But if I take 270 or like that, then I know that it will get 4 into minus 1 over there, cos 270 over there, plus 3 will make us like 135. The value should be taken over there. Then we will get minus 1 in that case. So the maximum and the minimum values for this expression will be calculated as 7 and minus 1. This is the least possible value, and this is the greatest possible value over there. Should be taken into account for making this value over there. Now he is saying sketch the curve. Okay, the difficult part we can say, and we can also say it is the easiest part also. Okay, if I say the maximum value which I have calculated is 7, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is being taken, and minimum value is, I say, -1 is there. So if I take pi by 2, and pi by 2 will give me the maximum minimum value over there. So I will say here that I'm taking this value to go, because I know that it is a sinusoidal waveform over there. It will show -1 here. Then it will come according to its, after 0, it will move towards pi to show the 360 value over there in the form of 7 as greatest possible value there in the form of pi. And again, 3 pi by 2, it will have the minus value over there. It should be drawn like this. Then he should have to move again at 2 pi. It should be drawn like this. It will be drawn with the maximum value. So it is the easiest way to draw the sketch over there. After that, in the next part, let's check what he is saying over there. He is saying that this cosine curve is being taken equal to 2x minus 1. Means if I take only this part over here, what will happen? 2x minus 1, if I place this, I'm just taking, because here it is only one mark is given. So no need to think too much over there. You are taking x equal to 2x equal to -1. If you place this 0, it means you will get your value at -1 over there. This is your value. If you are, this is your value. If you go for its graph to be drawn over there, it is going to cut the curve at maximum 1, 2, 3 points. And the next one case is not possible to touch this curve over there. I have just drawn this to estimate the possible solution. So 3 points I have obtained, and I will say there are 3 possible solutions are available for this one. 3 possible solutions are available for this one question over there. Okay, let's move to the next question over there, where he is saying that question number 6. Oh, it's from integration. Area under graph. Integration over there. All right. Here, first try to understand what he is asking from us. Basically, he has given 2 equations where he is saying that the diagram shows the curve with the equation this, and the line this. The line and the curve intersects at point P, okay, with the coordinates at 3 over there. With the y coordinate at 3 means x is not given. This is y, and x is not given over there. All right. So here he is saying this is the y coordinate 3 over there intersection, because he is saying the diagram shows this. The line and the curve intersect at point P, which has y coordinate at 3. So it is perpendicular height is 3 over there. All right. Then I can say if it is equal to 3 at that point, then it means my x coordinate means its whole value. Its whole value is given in the form of y equal to 3. So then I can say this one equal to 3. This is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 at that point. What is the x value there? So it is 6 minus 3x. 3x I'm taking on this side. 3x is equal to 6 minus 3. I'm getting 3 over there. Over 3, I'm getting 1 as x over there. So at that point, x is 1. And I can write it x as 1 comma 3 at that point. So I am saying that I want to calculate this area by integration of using this curve, by using the limits over there. And this area I will calculate by using a simple triangle over there to make, when I will put my y equal to 0. For example, I'm taking here my y equal to 0. What is the x value? Then 3x is equal to 6. Then x will equal to 2 over there. So this point will have the vertices, that is 2 comma 0. And this point is having the value as 1 comma 0. So my base for this right angle triangle will equal to 1 over there. And my perpendicular height is 3. By using the formula 1 by 2 into base into height, I will calculate easily. So I will move towards the integration section of the curve over there, which is given here to me in the form of the values. where I'm saying I'm getting 9 over 5x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 with the integral, and the limit which I want to use over there, limit I am going to use 0 and 1 over there. Easily being understandable, I think so. So I'm using 0 and 1 as my limits to get the area under graph, which I have already shaded for you. So I think so in this question, no confusion should be available for you. Okay, now let's move towards the solution of this one. First of all, I will take its power up. So it will make 0, 1, and it will be 9 into 5x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 with dx over there. Now power will come in the start, not come in the start, it will come with the plus 1 because it is integration. Okay, then I am saying 9 is there. It is coming with 5x plus 4 with the power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 is going to multiply here. So it is making us in the form of whole power should be taken as 3 by 2 over there. I have done a little bit silly mistake over there because when I take this 1 by 2 up, it should be minus 1 by 2. So it should be not be 9. Wait a second, I'm just erasing a little bit. This one I am removing, this one I am removing. Now I am going to apply the integration over there because this is minus 1 by 2 power. Okay, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over minus 1 by 2 plus 1 should be taken. And I have applied now the integration over there. Now I should go also with this 5x because this is x integration should also be managed over there. So it should be available with the 5 dx over there. So 5 is coming here and 1 by 5 is present over here. And 9 by 5 should be present over here. And now I'm going to simplify it. I think so your concept behind it is clarified. I'm applying the limit over here, 1, 0. Let's move towards its solution now. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is giving me 2 over there. 2 is multiplying with 9, giving me 18. So it is 5x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 over 5 with the limit 1, 0. Now I apply the limits into it to get the simplified form of the area that will be added into the right angle triangle into area over there. 18 into 5 into upper limit first. 5 into 1 plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 over 5 minus 18 into 5 into 0 plus 4 over 5. So it is having power 1 by 2 over there. 1 by 2, 4, 2, 18 to 36 over 5 minus, it is 18, 3, 54. So 54 over 5, it is 54 minus 36 is 18 over 5. This was the area under curve and area under the triangle. Area under the triangle is 1 by 2 into base was 1, I think so. Yeah, base is 1 to 2. Base is 1 and perpendicular is 3. So it is 1 into 3. It is going to cancel to get 1.5 over there. So 1.5 is 3 by 2 like that. And you are getting your area 3 by 2. I'm writing it 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 18 by 5. So making the denominator same over there. Multiply 5, multiply 5. So it is 18 2 times 36 plus 15 over 10, giving you 6, 5, 11 for 51 over 10. So this was the area which was required for this question over there. Okay, now we will have to move towards this prove the identity. This is the main question of the trigonometry over there. Tan theta plus 7 and tan square theta minus 3. We will have to make this expression over there. All right, it is easy one. Let's try now. I am going towards take this tan theta as sine theta over cos theta plus 7 over 1 over sine square theta over cos square theta minus 3. Okay. Let's move more to take the LCM over there. Then it will be sine theta plus 7 cos theta over. We will have to move more. Okay, no problem. It will be easily managed. No problem over there. Now, over cos theta, as the LCM over there is being taken, go for the denominator value of the fraction over there. So it is sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta over cos square theta. So one cos is gone with one cos over there. Now, let's move. Sine is present over there. This cos is to be multiplied with this numerator. So sine cos theta and plus 7 cos square theta over sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta. If I observe in the question, numerator is clear now. Sine theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta is done. Only the denominator is there. According to identity, I know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And then I replace this sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, let's move to this identification over there. Then use sine theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta over this sine square theta I want to replace 1 minus cos square theta minus 3 cos square theta. So it will be sine theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta over 1 minus 4 cos square theta. That was equal to your right hand side over there. I think so. Now concept is clear behind it that sine theta into cos theta plus 7 cos square theta is giving you the right answer over there. After that, he is saying use this sine theta cos theta plus 7 cos square theta. So to replace this value equal to calculation. Okay, this is also the easiest one question over there, where I will say that you have proved that this value is equal to what? This value is equal to tan theta plus 7 over tan square theta minus 3. So replace that value. Always when we attempt this type of question, mostly we will have to replace this one. So I will say here, go with it to use that value that was tan theta plus 7 over tan square theta minus 3. Tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 5 over tan theta. Okay, I'm going towards simple cross multiply over there. Tan square theta plus 7 tan theta is equal to 5 tan square theta minus 15 over there. Okay, take all of these two values to this side. You will get this tan square theta should be subtracted from 5 tan square theta, and you are getting 4 tan square theta minus 7 tan theta minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, let's move for midterm break over there. 15 for the 60. We will have to go for 60 to make minus 7. Then it will be taken as 12 and 5 over there. Then it should be 4 tan square theta minus 12 tan. I am just doing midterm break. Here tan theta I am taking as a variable like x, y like that. And I'm going for midterm break over there. So it should be 4 minus 12 tan theta plus 5 tan theta, because 12 5 is 60 and minus 60 is available there, minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, and take 4 tan theta as common. You will say tan theta minus 12. And why should I take in 12? 4 is common, so it should be 3. Wait a second here. I will have to move for 3 should be taken here. So tan theta minus 3 is there, plus 5 as common into tan theta minus 3 equals to 0. You will get two values of tan over there. So tan theta minus 3 will give you tan theta is equal to 3. And the second one will give you minus 5 by 4. Tan theta will equal to minus 5 by 4 over there. Just applying the minus 5 by 4 is taken. If I get both of these values, then I say take theta is equal to tan inverse 3. Tan inverse 3. This is giving me the value here. Wait a second. Shift tan inverse 3, 71.6. 71.6 degree. And shift tan inverse minus fraction introduced minus 5 by 4 over there, 128.7. So this is theta 1 and theta 2 is equal to 128.7 degree. So it was your question number 7 over there. I think so you have got it, how to do this question over there. It was easy question. Try to be focused and understanding of the question easily over there. Okay, this is the question related to circle over there. This is question number 8. He has given us the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the origin with the vertices 0, 0. All right. Here he is saying us that there is a line. All right. He is saying the diagram shows the circle with the equation x square plus y square minus 14x plus 8y plus 36 equal to 0. And the line y equal to minus 2 there. The line intersects the circle at the point A, B, and the center of the circle is C over there. All right. I will say here, just take a circle equation there first. And that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. I'm just taking this man circle equation, which you should memorize. That will be easily being understandable for you. If I go for calculation of center from here, then my center will be given as minus g comma minus f over there. And for radius, I will use the formula g square plus f square minus c under root. These two formulas should be kept in mind. Now I am getting, what should I do with it to get my c over there? First of all, I'm going towards c vertices over here. So c is easily being done that 2g with x is equal to minus 14. 2g is equal to minus 14 and 2f is equal to 8. 2f is equal to 8 and c is equal to 36 there in the question given. So from here, g can be equal to minus 7 and f equal to 4 over there. I think so you have got it, what I did over here. And if you go for center, for getting the C vertices over there, I will have to just change the signs of them. Minus 7 will be equal to 7 according to my center formula. And F is going to take on 4 with minus 4 over there. This was how to calculate center of the circle in the form of C over there. Now I'm using this equation by getting y equal to minus 2. So I'm saying here, for getting A and B, because the line was intersecting. If you observe there, the line that was y equal to minus 2 over there, this is the line y equal to minus 2. It is intersecting the circle at point A and B over there. So if I say y equal to minus 2, then I am putting this in the circle equation there. Just observe here what I am doing with it now. I am writing it x square plus y square. I am replacing it with minus 2 over there. Minus 2 square plus minus 14 into x. Then I am saying here X should be gone with 8y plus 8 into minus 2 plus 36 over there equals to 0. Let's go to arrange for x as quadratic equation to get the x values over there. X square plus 4 minus 14x minus 16 plus 36 equals to 0. So it is 20. 20 plus 4, 24. X square minus 14x plus 24 equals to 0. I think so. I have done some silly mistake over there. Wait a second. It was minus 2 over there, and it was minus 16, and 4, 12, 36, 24. Okay, x square minus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. I have taken y equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is giving me 4 plus 4 and minus 16 minus 14x plus 36 minus 14x plus 36 and x square plus 4 minus 14x minus 16 plus 36. Everything is fine, I think so. How should I go for midterm break over there now? So let's go. Okay. It is 12 2 times 24. So it is x square minus 12x minus 2x. I just observed maybe some silly mistake has been done, but it is fine. No problem. Plus 24 equals to 0. I'm getting here x into x minus 12 minus 2 into x minus 12 equals to 0. I am getting here x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2 there. So my first point is 2 comma minus 2 there. And for the second one is x minus 12 equal to 0. So my x equal to 12 there. So my second point is 12 comma minus 2. This was my point A. This was my point B over there. I think so. This section, according to circle for calculating the radius and center and the formulas behind it has been clarified already. Now he is saying calculate the area of not area, find the angle of ACB in radians. Okay, ACB. ACB. So I need A CB. Okay, I'm taking this triangle, I'm taking its vertices also and making a triangle. Then I will use the tan theta formula over there of slopes over there. So I'm taking here ACB. All right. This is my A, this is my C, this is my B over there. It was my 12 comma minus 2. It was my 2 comma minus 2. And my center was 7 minus 4. Center was 7 minus 4. 7 comma minus 4. Okay. For this purpose, I will say here, first of all, I will go with the formula here to take the angle between AC and BC. I need this angle only. So I know that the formula is tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 over 1 plus M1 M2. You can also use the simple law of cosine for this one. If you measure first the lengths of all of them, and then you apply the law of cosine formula over there. That is also easy one, but it is very short. Just placing the gradient slopes over there. I'm taking the slopes over there first for AC. M1 is AC I'm taking over there. So for that one, I know that gradient simple formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. My y2 is minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is giving me minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 over 2 minus 7. So it is minus minus plus 4 minus 2 2 by 5 with minus sign over there. Minus 2 by 5 like that. Let's go for the second one over there. then it is going to take M2, then it is M2 over there is equal to, I'm taking -2 minus 4 plus 2. Again, the above one is the same, -2 minus plus 4 over 12 minus 7. So it is 12 minus 7 is also 4. Then it is 2 by 5. So I am saying here, I will have to go for calculation over there now. So I will go for here minus 2 by 5. And then minus 2 by 5 over 1 plus, I will say minus 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. Then it is giving me the value here, 4. Okay, now I'm going to simplification over there. I know that 5 LCM here, and this is 5 minus 4 is 1 by 5 is going on. So the remainder denominator is going to finish over there. Is you just look at here, 25 into 1. 25 minus 4 will give you 21 over there. So I'm getting here 21 over 25, and for the above one I'm getting minus 4. And why I'm getting minus 4? Minus 4 over 25. 25 and 25. No, this is 5. Oh my God, I'm sorry. My bad. I should not cut it. It is 5 over there because LCM should be 5 there. It is 5. And I'm getting 5 here. This 5 is coming into the numerator to multiply, because this 5 is cancelled with 25 and this 5 is being multiplied with minus 4. And I'm getting minus 20 over 21. That is my tan theta. And if I apply theta is equal to tan inverse minus 20 over 21, then I will get the value here. That is, wait a second, shift and inverse minus 20 over 21 and given radians. So it is 2.38. All right. So this is the way how to calculate the angle for ACB. In the next one, he is saying now divide the area. The chord AB divides the circle into two segments. Find the area of the largest segment over there. So I will have to calculate this whole area now. This is the largest segment which is cut by that equation. And now he is saying go and calculate this area over there. So I will have to go for the calculation where if I observe over here, I will go for AC to calculate over there. Then I will subtract it from 2 pi for getting this angle, and area of sector formula can easily be used over there. And okay, first I am going towards get AC because I have both the vertices of A and C over there. I have the value of A and C in the form of vertices. And for calculation, the area over there between A and C, length of AC and BC both are equal. If you observe there, AC and BC, AC is also the radius, BC is also the radius over there. And if I observe here, what should I write here? AC, then it is 7 minus 2 is 5 square and 4 2. So it is 5 square plus 2 square. So I say I'm taking the radius AC, or I can say it is BC is also getting the value x2 minus x1, that is 5 square minus 2 square is giving me 25, plus with minus 2 is there, plus is there, and plus 4 under root is making under root 29 over there. So if I'm getting this value, wait a second, under root 29, under root 29 is equal to 5.38, is equal to 5.38. This is my length of the radius. And the internal area of sector, which I can want to show you here, you can easily calculate over there. Wait a second, I'm just changing the color over here. Area of sector formula will give me this area. Now I'm using because I have the radius, I have no formula. 1 by 2 r square and theta in the radian over there will be used in the form of formula over there. Let's go to the back color of blue over there. Okay. 1 by 2 r square theta. So r I have, that is the value 5.38. So I am saying here, take the area of sector first, and later on I will use the area of triangle also, because I know the angle over there. So I am saying here, go for it. Area of sector. So 1 by 2 into 5.38 whole square into theta. Theta was angle which was we have calculated in the form of radians. That was 2.38, but I will have to take the other side. This angle was 2.38 over there, as we have calculated here, but we will have to take this one. So I will have to subtract it from 2 pi over there. So I am taking here 2 pi minus 2.38. So if I am going to calculate and simplifying it, 1 by 2 into 5.38 whole square into 2 pi minus 38 over there. So I'm getting the value 56.58. 56.58. And for if I observe here, I have this triangle now to subtract that over there. Okay. This triangle, I know the formula 1 by 2 AB sine C over there. I should add that area also, triangle area over there. I know that is formula 1 by 2 AB sine C over there, which you have already studied in O levels over there. So 1 by 2 into radius, I know that is 5.38 again. In the form of the above one, we have already taken that 5.38 into 5.38 into sine of that angle that was taken as in the radians. I'm writing there 2.38. For taking this value, your mod in the calculator should be in radian over there. Okay, if I put these values 1 over 29 under root 29 under root 29 and sine of 2.38, answer is 10 over there. So total area will equal to 10 should be added over there. It is 66, I think so. Area, it will be 66.58 over there. Okay, this is almost, I think so. Video is so much longing over there, no problem. And let's move to question number 9 there. Here he is saying the equation of the curve is such that d square y over dx square is 24 minus 24 over x cube over there. All right, it is given that the curve has a stationary point at minus 219 over there, and this is the equation. Find an expression for dy by dx. It's very easy. Just go for integration for one time over there. D square y over dx square. Take the integral here. Is equal to minus 24 x power minus 3. Take the integral also over there. And what will happen over there, that take this integration, you will get dy by dx over here. And it will be minus 24 x power minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1 and plus c as a constant over there. And you are also having the value minus 2 of x over there. Okay, remember that minus 2 is there. And we will use this minus 2 in place of x to get the c value over there. And we will place this value for dy by dx as equal to 0 in the form of constants of equation over there. Because he said that it is a stationary point, and we know that in stationary points, dy by dx equal to 0 over there. So it is minus 24 x power minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. Minus gone to 12 time is gone. And for calculating this c, I am saying put this dy by dx equal to 0 because it is stationary point over there. So it should be placed 0 over here. And my x should be replaced with minus 2 over there. So it is having, first of all, I'm making it positive over there, 12 over x square And I am saying put this value as what was the value? -2 for x over there. Just observe here, -2 is there. X is -2. Put -2 here, plus c is equal to 0. So c is equal to 12 over -2 square. So c is equal to 3 over there. And your equation for dy by dx will equal to it was 12 over x square, 12 over x square plus with -3 because it was taken on opposite side and it is -3 over there. So it is -3. So remember that it is the mathematical expression for this equation, the easiest part of this question. In the next one, he is saying the x coordinate of the other stationary point of the curve. Find the x coordinate of other stationary point. Find the x coordinate of other stationary point of the curve and determine the nature of this stationary point. So I have this expression dy by dx 12 over x square minus 3. Okay, 12 over x square minus 3 is equal to 0. And I should go here -3 to other side. And it will be 12 over x square is equal to 3. And I say x square is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. X is equal to plus -2. -2 is already given as a stationary point. Now I should go for the +2 over there. And for nature, I will have to go for d square y by dx square, d square y over dx square. Now I will have to put at x equal to 2 over there because x equal to +2 over there, because if you observe the one stationary point which was given with -2 over there. So I am putting it in this form, -24 over x cube, -24 over x cube, -24 over x is 2 cube, -24 over 8. So it is -3. So this -3 value is telling me that it is less than 0 and it is my maximum point of stationary points. This was to calculate the nature. If you are going towards nature of the root, then I think so you should use this relation over there. Find the equation of the curve C. So here I will have to more integration for one time so that I can calculate here differential equation. My dy by dx was 12 over x square minus 3. 12 over x square minus 3. Okay, our dy by dx is equal to 12 over x square minus 3. We will have to go for curve of the equation. It means we need only in y form over there. Okay, go for integration with the dx. You will get y here is equal to, it is 12 x power -2 plus 1 over -2 plus 1 minus 3x. After that, we can say plus a constant, that is, we can say C is already taken. I'm saying D over here. And if I put here my y is equal to 12 minus x, x power -1 with minus sign because -2 plus 1 is minus 3x plus d over there. So from here, I want to place for d constant, I will place here the coordinates of the stationary point, which were already given -2 and it was, I think so, 9 or 19. It was 19. -2, 19. Okay. -2 and 19 over here. Okay, 19 is y is equal to -12 into this x minus 1. I'm taking it 1 by with -2, -3 into -2 over there. So it is the way how to go plus d over there. So d is minus gone to 6 minus plus 6, 12, 19 minus 12 is 7. So D is equal to 7 over there, and your equation can be written as y is equal to 12 over x minus 3x plus 7. It was your integration. Please keep in mind the steps which I have done for you. Okay. Now he is saying for the next part of this question, he is saying find an equation of the normal to the curve at the point where dy by dx is equal to minus 9 by 4. Okay, your dy by dx expression was 12 over x square minus 3. So you are taking here 12 over x square minus 3. It was exactly now. I think so. It should be exactly. Yeah, 12 over x square minus 3 is my dy by dx. So I'm equating it equal to minus 9 by 4 over there. Now I have to arrange this, and I will have to go for this value to calculate my x over there. So I am saying here minus 3 should be going to add on other side. So I'm saying 12 over x square is equal to minus 9 over 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4 over 4. It is 12, so it is 3 by 4. This is my value for my 12 over x square. So 12 over x square is equal to 3 by 4. Simplify it and arrange it. Then I say x square is equal to, x square is coming in place of 3. So 3 will come down, and 12 multiply 4. And I am getting my value 3 for the 12. So x square is equal to 16. And my value for x, express your answer in this form. Okay, I will do no problem. I will have to go for normal first. So if I say here x is equal to plus minus 4 over there, I am taking x equal to 4. If my x equal to 4, what will be y over there? Let's check what will be y over there. If x is 4, then y. 12 over 4, 12 over 4, 3, 12 over 4 minus 3 into 4, 12, and 9 and 7, and it will give me minus 8 over there. All right. I'm doing it for you, no problem. I'm not using this. I'm just using this y equal to 12 over x minus 3x. Y is equal to 12 over x minus 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7, put x equal to 4. 12 over 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 7 will equal to 4. 3 times 12, 3 minus 12. Okay, plus 7. 7 plus 7. So y will give me the value here over k over x square, like 3 minus 12 is minus 9 plus 7. 12 over, not x, I think so. It was 12 over x square. Guys, it was 12x square. Okay. It was x square over there. So it should be 4 still there. So it is 3 by 4 minus 12 plus 7. So it is 3 by 4. Now if I arrange all of them, I think so I will get 8 over there. Okay, that was my value for this point over there. And gradient was of the normal was equal to 4 by 9. And then if I use that value, y minus, it is minus 8. Okay, y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to 4 by 9, because originally it was minus, when we take for normal m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. then M2 will equal to minus into minus. I will have to invert that also. Then it will be 4 by 9, and forgetting M2 minus minus, that will equal to 4 by 9. And then arranging this equation, then I will say here y minus minus 8 is plus 8 over x will give me the expression that is x minus 4 will equal to 4 by 9. Arrange all of this equation, then 4x there and minus 16 there and 9y and this one, and I will get equation 4x minus 9y, because y is going to be subtracted over there. After that, minus 16 and plus 72 and minus 72, it is minus 88. 72 plus 16 is 88 equal to 0. So this is the way how to solve this equation over there. Okay, now he is saying go to the calculate the first, second, and third terms. So it is AP and GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression question is this one. Okay, now the first and second and third terms of arithmetic progression are given. Okay, I can take the common difference to find this value over there. So it is the common difference for first and second value is k square minus 4k. K square minus 4k. And for second common difference is d is equal to 8k minus k square. Okay, and I know the common differences in arithmetic progression are always equal. So I will say here k square minus 4k is equal to 8k minus k square. This minus k square should be coming on this side. It is 12k will be there. So we will say here it will be giving us the value of k square, 2k square. Wait a second, power is getting low. No problem. 2k square minus 4k minus 8k equals to 0. All right, 2k square minus 12k equals to 0. 2 is common, k minus 6k equals to 0, and k is having value 0 and k is having value 6 over there. This was your question related to this part over there. And we can simply say here, he is saying for the next part, find the sum of first 20 terms over there. If we go for find the sum of first 20 terms, then we know the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d over there. So for this one, I will say here, first one, I will have to use the k value to find my first value and the common difference over there. My k should not be taken 0 because it will be 0, 0, 0. It is not possible. K is equal to 6. I should use 4 into 6 is 4 into 6 is 4 into 6 is 24 is my first value as my A1, and A2 is 6 times 6 is 36, and 8 times 6 is 48. So these are my three terms which are given over there. So my D is 12 and my first term A1 is 24. I'm putting all of these values over here and I need S20 over there. Okay, S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 24 plus 12 minus, 24 minus 1. I think so. The basic formula I'm using, okay, this is the sum of the series for the arithmetic progression term over there. And D is 12 over there. Okay, if I'm going to simplify this and I will get the answer over here, that will be 2 into 10. It is 10 into 48 plus 23 into 12. Okay, let's go for calculation over there. 23 times 12 plus 48. So it is giving us 276. So 10 into 276, 2760. Okay, for this question, he is saying here, okay, the fourth and sixth term of the geometric progression are given, okay, and find the common ratio. Okay, it is very easy one. As we know, the general formula for nth term for geometric progression is taken as a r power n minus 1. Here he is saying the fourth term and the sixth term. So a4 is equal to a r power 4 minus 1. It is equal to a r cube, which is equal to 36. Okay. And then he is saying the sixth term a6 is equal to a r power 6 minus 1. It is equal to a r power 5 is equal to 6. Okay. Then I can say here that we will also have to go for sum to infinity. Okay, I have to calculate first r over there, then I should go for sum to infinity formula. I will show you how to go for that. So if I divide a r5 over a r3, it will give me a r5 is 6 over 36. So it is a gone, r3 r square gone. So I can take it r square is equal to under root 6 over 6 like that. So this is my common ratio over there. And I know the formula for sum to infinity will be used as S infinity is equal to A over r minus 1 over there, 1 minus r, because my r is 1 by 6, which is greater than 0, which is positive over there. So it will be first term was 36 and over 1 minus, we can say r value is under root 6 over 6. If I go for simplification by directly by the calculator over there, then I am getting my answer. Wait a second. 2, 1, okay, okay. So it is giving me 7776 over uh over under root 216 minus 6 over there. So this will not be the ended up. You will can use the little bit algebra because you will have to show this answer in this format. Exactly. Then you can get your 5 marks full over there. Okay, the last question here is being done. Why it is not showing the last question there? Okay, this is your last question, question number 11 there, where he is saying x squared plus 4x plus 2. Show this in this format. This is a completing square quadratic square equation. Quadratic question over there. Let's go with it and solve it. X square, a square plus 2 into a is x into b to make 4. Should be 2 there plus 2 square plus 2 already there. So this 2 square is extra added. So I will subtract it with minus 2 minus 2 square. So it is 4 giving me minus 2 and it should be written as x plus 2 whole square there. So I think so. You are done with x plus 2 whole square and your a is having value as 2 and b is having value minus 2 over there. Okay, this was my expression for this expression over there. Express this. You have done x plus 2 over there. Okay, now he is saying that f of x and g of x are given. Find the f inverse of x as his expression over there. All right. So I will say here, take this one, f equal to y is equal to from the above x plus 2 whole square minus 2 over there. Then it will be y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Taking the square root here and here, this is going to cancel out. X plus 2 is equal to under root plus minus y plus 2 over there. Then x is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root y plus 2. And in O levels, I think so you have done with this, that it is equal to f inverse y minus 2 plus minus under root y plus 2. So f inverse of x is equal to -2 plus minus under root y plus 2 x plus 2, sorry. So this was the way how to go for calculation of f inverse of x. And in the last one, he is saying that go for the calculation of what is there? GF inverse of x. Okay, GF inverse of x. So I can say here, go for G inverse of x first and go F inverse of x is already done for you. I will put it in those values over there. I have F inverse of x, that is my value -2 plus minus under root x plus 2. -2 plus minus under root x plus 2 over there. That was my value for my inverse of x. Yeah, x plus 2 over there. That was my f inverse of x. Now I am saying go for g inverse of x. And what is g basically? G was equal to -x minus 4. So g of x is equal to -x minus 4. So I am going towards g inverse of x to calculate that. So g inverse of x, as I know, just put this equal to y minus x plus -4 and make x as subject. So minus x will coming here. It is minus y minus 4. Put this f of x as f inverse of y. Then I'm getting it minus y minus 4. And f inverse of x will remaining as it is minus x minus 4. Now, I will say that we know that when we are going with gf inverse of x, it means I should go for it with the values to be taken as I'm taking here to put the function minus and root to be placed over here. I'm taking here minus under root minus x. I'm placing just this x over there, okay? Minus x minus 4 will be taken as plus minus 4. Okay, I have replaced this whole value of g inverse of x over there with this x over there. So it is this is the value to be replaced. Plus 2 should be taken with this minus 2. I am taking here minus 2. This will be g f in g f inverse whole way over there. So it will be minus under root minus x minus 2 minus 2 over there. So this is the way how to calculate the composite inverse function over there. And you can also go for gf of x first and then take this inverse. It's up to you. Thank you so much. This was the whole paper, and paper 3 will be also uploaded soon. Thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.